Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I guess कल का vlog मैं end करना भूल चुका हूँ, edit में कर दूंगा. We had fun. We went to this restaurant. आपने देख ही लिया होगा vlog में, right? Food was so amazing and it was very क्या बोलते सस्ता था खाना. Not as compared to India, but as compared to US, it was very good and fulfilling. मजा आया भाई. This was like first time where हम restaurant से बाहर निकले and we were like satisfied कि like भाई मजा आ गया. It was good to have fun with friends. थोड़ा सा shoot किया but like I cannot put everything out cause censor हो जाएगा सब कुछ भाई crazy. So today is a fresh new Saturday you can say. अब मैं डेट्स बताना स्टार्ट कर चुका. आई डोंट नो कितना आगे पीछे ब्लॉग्स चल रहा है बट इट्स अ फ्रेश न्यू सैटरडे एंड आई हैव एन एक्साइटिंग व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग इज आई हैव अ पर्सन विजिटिंग मी टुडे. हिज नेम इज मिस्टर ज्वलंत. He is like one of the top executives in the business which I have started doing side by side, right? So I met him at Shreesa's place in Chicago. We also met in Florida. I also met his friends, his wife and stuff. He's also Gujarati background by stuff. So crazy. He is also into his corporate career, full-time job, and then he is very big, renowned entity in a business. So he is here in St. Louis cause his boys are into like very professional cricket and they are almost gonna get selected in US team and stuff he was saying, and he himself is like very good cricketer. He is like ICC referee and stuff. I was like crazy man. So he and his two boys are visiting St. Louis, or I guess they might have landed this morning for 2 days, and then as soon as he was gonna come he was like I'll meet home, I'll mentor him, go check on him. I was like that's so good, right? Somebody is here. They could have taken time off, relax, move in the city, move around the city, but he chose to meet me, so feeling good. So I was like okay, I gave one of my shifts to somebody and then we are gonna meet in Panera. So obviously I'm not gonna shoot that part, right? It's just a story time. Meet him, get some insights, his experiences and cause you can क्या था वो dialogue family man के, you cannot become knowledgeable from others knowledge but you can become wise from others wisdom. So it would be good. We'll have some coffee and then he'll go back to his hotel and I'll go back to my shifts. My plan was to attend one of the cricket matches but उनका last minute plans बना and then मेरा shifts already हो चुका था. इससे ज़्यादा next month I'm planning to go somewhere and उसका मेरे को आज डालना पड़ेगा क्या, block my calendar for that. And I'm back in pool and the pool is empty. Crazy guy. 1 hour to go to meet sir. यहाँ से सीधा जाना है पनेरा. Crazy and I'm not going alone. I'm taking somebody with me because they also want to know about the business and stuff. I was like who better than him to tell what are we guys up to, right? I'm done with the shift and oh my god, Panera जाने वाले थे. Panera is closed, so I guess we might end up sitting at library or something. We'll see that. One of the other person is gonna come with me. She's late. I was like okay मैं जाता हूँ बस. Sir has arrived and that's not good, right? मेरे को भी थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया cause कोई तो लाइफ गार्ड लेट आया. That's all good. Let's go फटाफट. And I'm done with the meet with sir. It was so much inspiring, motivating, क्या बोल सकते हैं. And then it was great. ज़्यादा मैं बात नहीं कर पाऊँगा उसके बारे में. And then I just posted it on our team's extended WhatsApp group. There is another social media platform of our team members. It's only accessible by us. Like it's for growth and business purpose. उसमें सब लोग अपना key takeaways रोज डालते हैं, तो वहाँ पे भी डाला. And I got so much appreciation from that as well. Like so I need to honor the partnership route now, right? And it was crazy भाई, मज़ा आया. Learned a lot. And plan was to go to Panera because I had to eat, but अब Panera is closed, everything is closed and I can't go home. Actually I can go home, घर जाके कुछ खा के फटाट होता है. Still have 15 minutes, right? And our university is empty. It feels like private property है भाई. Crazy. Oh my god, बादल कितने प्यारे लग रहे हैं. सर को मैंने यूनिवर्सिटी थोड़ा घुमाया, राइट? श्री सर को घुमाया, ये सर को भी घुमाया. जो लाइक those who I know come to my university, I show them around. Ultimate goal is to show my parents around, but that's a different story altogether. अब एक ही जो vlog से ही देख लो. So भूल गया मैं. Yeah, students are getting less balance, or I guess it's summer just. Let's see fall में समझेगा. My plans are to a lot of plans going on, both creative, business, studies, jobs. Oh my god, एक चीज़ You should do one thing at a time, but थोड़ा थोड़ा सब कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, मल्टीटास्किंग भी हो सकता है. And I'll prove that. Oh my god, there's a bee. I'm just yapping because I'm damn hungry. Damn hungry, guys. Crazy, bhai. So that's how my summer looks like. Again, थोड़ा सा खाया, going back. आके खाऊंगा अच्छे से. Oh my god, there are kids मस्ती कर रहे हैं भाई. Hi. I love kids, भाई. Time होता तो रुकता जाके बात करता, but running low on time. So like sir is like उनके खुद के कॉर्पोरेट करियर में बहुत ऊपर है. He's like almost next to CEO, not CEO, almost next to CEO, but still, it because this is the best part about the business which we are working on. Like we get to meet people, invest in people. It's all what we do here. Make them empower, make them make them have a good understanding of how the business looks like, right? And then वही process में मेरा भी communication improve और confidence, and like you just keep doing what you want to do and then you'll be pro at it. I'm a believer of that. So today again when sir was walking through the other person, I also got motivated, and I also like कुछ चीज होती है like why you should know your why you started this thing, or why are you here in US, why are you studying, why are you doing this. If a why is clear, there's no need of motivation. Like you are gonna go, if you want a six-pack abs in 6 months, then your why is clear. You have to just get up, take protein, hit gym, eat good, and then you are gonna, like with proper nutrition, everything, you are gonna get it. So until unless your why is not clear, you're not gonna clear it. मोटिवेशन जैसा क्यों होते जा रहा है, बट ठीक है, इट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़, राइट. आई डोंट नो, मैं पीपल से आई डू लाइक व्लॉगिंग इज लाइक थोड़ा सा सॉरी आई कैन नॉट यूज दैट, बट थोड़ा सा मस्ती होनी चाहिए, वो सब होना चाहिए, राइट. बट अब मैं अकेला अब खुद के साथ क्या ही मस्ती करूँ, राइट. मोस्टली आई एम अलोन द एंटायर डे, राइट. एंड देन फ्रेंड्स से कंटेंट निकालना once in a while is good, but every day I cannot show any other person, right? So थोड़ा सा रिपोर्टिंग स्टाइल व्लॉगिंग हो रहा है मेरा. यहाँ पे आ गया सुबह के 4 बजे, शाम को 5 बजे, शाम के 7 बजे. But it is what it is. Nobody is gonna be sitting here and judging me, right? I'm just doing my shit, my stuff, not shit. मेरे को वही वीडियो एडिट करना पड़ेगा यार, कितना सारा बोल देता हूँ कुछ भी, and then somebody can get hurt from it. Moral of the story is मेरा टाइम हो रहा है तो मैं जा रहा हूँ काम. And done with the shift, was with some of my friends. I was like, let's not vlog it out here, right? टायर्ड भाई, भूख लगा है, बट खाना बनाने प्लानिंग के लिए रोटी ही बना लूँगा. We'll take a call because I have a business meet as well, right? It was a good day. It was really fruitful meeting with sir. Kind of motivated me, but अभी भूखा हूँ तो दिख नहीं रहा एनर्जी. क्रेजी भाई, मूव आउट करना है, पैकिंग स्टार्ट करना है. डेली आई एम वर्किंग. आई हैव टू फाइंड सम स्केड्यूल बिकॉज आई हैव टू अगले मंथ के ट्रिप का सब इधर उधर कैलेंडर ब्लॉक करना वो कर देता हूँ. लाइक लेट्स एग्जीक्यूट समथिंग, राइट. आफ्टर कमिंग टू होम आई वाज लाइक भुट्टा लाया, राइट. भुट्टा गर्म किया, नींबू एंड मेरी क्या बोलते हैं, मिर्चू क्या बोल रहा हूँ, नमक मिर्ची भी लगानी होती है ना, राइट. पहले नींबू और नमक से ये करूँ, मिर्ची नहीं डालते हैं, रॉ खाते हैं. Having bhutta after, oh my god, a year almost. Let's try it. Best है भाई. चलो भाई, edited the vlog, uploaded, and now it's time to make some. So it's time to block my calendars for next month's trip. It's gonna be in first week. Only my YouTube audience know, right? Cause loyalty pays. I'll just blog. I'm going for a day, but there would be a layover, so I'll go to completely 2 new different cities this time. So it's gonna be crazy. I have to plan itinerary and stuff. मजा आने वाला है. Looking, you should always have a trip to look forward to. Let's make roti and then देखते हैं. शायद मेरा प्लान है बैंगन का कुछ तो बनाने का, क्योंकि बैंगन खराब होते जा रहे हैं. You'll see that my mom is calling, so I was like, चलो भाई फ़ोन भी उठा ले तो रोटी भी बना लेते हैं. चलो भाई, आटा डन, रोटी बनाने का टाइम है. बट पॉइंट इज आई वॉज इन कॉल विथ माई मॉम. थोड़े से ख़राब हो गए थे, ब्रिंजल फेंक दिए, एंड उन्होंने बोला कि इसको पानी में रखना होता है वरना ये काले हो जाता है. वॉज लाइक आई डोंट नो. ये किया, टमाटर काटे, बोलते इसको पानी में मत रखना, क्योंकि ये भी काटा बटाटे. वॉज लाइक शी वॉज लाइक ही नहीं शी वॉज लाइक इसको पानी में भी, इसको भी पानी में रखना पड़ता है तो काला पड़ जाएगा. बिकॉज आयुष बाहर गया, आने वाला था टाइम में. तो जोक वाज लाइक कि इसको मत डालना पानी में, वाज लाइक या
And it's time to make the rotis.
फाइनली थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया बट इट्स वर्थ वेटिंग. क्रेजी. सो आई गेस दैट इज द टुडे गाइस. अब आपको इसको वीडियो पसंद आएगा, पसंद तो लाइक करना, चैनल पर तो सब्सक्राइब करना है एंड ट्राइंग टू बी पॉजिटिव कॉज डे वाज गुड एंड डे वाज गुड. और तो क्या ही बोलो भाई, डेज आर गोइंग गुड. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग एंड यू विल सी सम एक्साइटिंग व्लॉग्स इन नेक्स्ट मंथ का फर्स्ट वीक में, गोइंग टू 2 डिफरेंट सिटीज. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर दैट. एवरीथिंग इज डन. नाउ जस्ट हैव टू गो. बाय.